Hi, welcome to Alwala's general knowledge class. Today, our topic is population. It is very important to all competitive exams. That's why we have to know some important points about population. The study of population is called demography. It is one science. Demography means the study of population. Whenever we go to historical background, in ancient time, Arya's time also, some data was collected about population. But modern point of view, in our country, census were conducted in 1872 only. But in 1830s time, one British person calculated census in Dhaka area. That person is Henry Walter. That's why this person is called father of Indian census. Who is called father of Indian census? Henry Walter is called father of Indian census. He conducted population data. It means census in Dhaka area. At the time, Dhaka was also part of India. Census means it is a survey conducted on the full set of observation objects belonging to a given population. Whatever observation objects are there, like population growth rate, and also literacy rate, male female ratio, density of population, all these objects data is collected, that is called census. Our country point of view, census were started first time in 1872 during Lord Mayo. He was viceroy. At the time, he was viceroy. During his period, our country conducted census first time in 1872. He was only one viceroy was assassinated in India. All viceroys and governor generals, Indians killed only one viceroy. That person is Lord Mayo. He was assassinated in Andaman Nicobar Islands by a tribe. That's why you remember only one Indian viceroy or governor general was assassinated or murdered by Indians. That person is Lord Mayo. During this person period, census were conducted in India in 1872. But from 1881 onwards, our census have been conducting for every 10 years. Total 15 times census were conducted so far. From 1872 to 2011, total 15 times census were conducted so far. 2021 census or 16th census in our country, but this census did not start due to COVID-19. It will be started in 2021-22 financial year, and provisional data will be released in 2023 according to Ministry of Home Affairs. Who conduct this census in our country? Ministry of Home Affairs. That Ministry of Home Affairs created one post, that is Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. This post was created in 1961. He works under the control of Ministry of Home Affairs. Central Ministry of Home Affairs. Present, who is this Registrar General? Vivek Joshi. And NPC, National Population Commission, was started in 2000 year. In our country, during Vajpayee time, National Population Commission was started. This commission chairman is always Prime Minister of India. Deputy chairman is previously Planning Commission. Deputy chairman was Vice Chairman of this NPC. Present Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar is present, is there. That person is the Vice Chairman of National Population Commission. Next, UNPF, United Nations Population Fund. Previously it was called United Nations Fund for Population Activities. It was established in 1969. Population related matters all are observed by this UN Population Fund. It was established in 1969, located in New York. From 1870 to 2011, our population how increased we have to know. In 1872, our country's population approximately 15 crores. 1901, our country population was 23.8 crores. In 1951, our country population was 36.1 crores. In 1991, our country population was 84.3 crores. 2001, our country population was 102.7 crores. 2011, our population was 121.08 crores. How population was increased, we have to know. Just in 1870, approximately 15 crores. After that, 1901, 23.8 crores. After independence, 36.1 crores our population was there. 1991, 84.3 crores. 2001, 102.7 crores. 2011, 121.08 crores. Highest population growth rate country in the world is India. From 2001 to 2011, our country's population growth rate is 17.65. Approximately 17.65% of growth rate is there. Population growth rate is equal to increased population by previous population into 100. We can identify through this formula, increased population by previous population into 100, then we can get population growth rate. Highest population growth rate country is what? India, 17.65. Population growth rate is decreasing in our country, but population is increasing. Don't confuse here. Population growth rate is every decade is decreasing, but population every 10 years it is increasing. Approximately 18 crores population was increased from 2001 to 2011. Next, World Population Day. World Population Day is observed on July 11th every year. From 1987, we have been observing World Population Day is on July 11th because in 1987 on July 11th, our world population was reached to 500 crores. That's why UNO has been observing World Population Day on July 11th. 600 crores population reached in 1999. World population crossed 600 crores means 6 billions. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. 600 crores means 6 billions population crossed in the world in 1999. 700 crores population crossed in 2011. Like this, population tremendously increasing. Approximately present population, world population is 787 crores. According to UNO estimation, on June 23rd, 2021, 787.3 crores. It is the today's population according to UNO estimation, 787.3 crores population. Every day, approximately 3.82 lakh people are born in this world. Every day, 3.82 lakhs people are born. Every day, 1.63 lakh people are died in this world. That's why approximately every day our population is increasing 2.18 lakhs. 2.18 lakhs population is increasing every day. 1921 is observed in our Indian population history, that is the year of Great Divide. Why it is observed the year of Great Divide? 1921 is observed the year of Great Divide because in 1921 census whenever conducted, at the time population was decreased compared to 1911. Compared to 1911, 1921 population was decreased. That's why in our Indian census history, 1921 is called the year of Great Divide because between this period, Spanish flu was also occurred. Great famine or big famine was occurred in 1918. That's why so many people migrated from India to so many African countries and West Indies islands. That's why our population was decreased in 1921 compared to 1911. 1921 population was decreased. That's why 1921 is called the year of Great Divide in Indian population history. Next, in 2011 census point of view, some important points we have to know, because 2021 is not conducted so far. That's why 2011 census important information we have to know. First, number one, population. 5 or 6 important objects we have to remember census point of view. Number one is population. Population is 121.08 crores population. Second biggest populated country in the world. India is the second biggest populated country in the world after China. Present top populated countries in the world is number one is China, number two is India, number three is USA, number four Indonesia, number five Pakistan, number six Brazil, number seven Nigeria, number eight Bangladesh, number nine is Russia, number 10th one is Mexico. These top 10 countries are there in this world, population point of view. Very small countries in the world, population point of view. Vatican City is the smallest populated country in the world. Second position is Tuvalu. Tuvalu located in South Pacific Ocean, that is near Australia. That island is also second smallest country in the world. Third position is Nauru, the smallest republic in the world. That is Nauru is third smallest country according to population. Fourth one is Palau. Palau is also located in that area, that is fourth smallest country according to population. Fifth one is San Marino. San Marino. Five smallest countries in the world, you remember. Number one is Vatican City, number two is Tuvalu, number three is Nauru, number four is Palau, number five is San Marino. These five countries are very smallest countries in the world. Top 10 countries and five smallest countries, exam point of view, you remember. Next, population growth rate, already I explained. Population growth rate is 17.65%. From 2001 to 2011, it is decade population growth rate 17.65%. After that, male-female ratio, according to 2011 census, male-female ratio is 943. Next, density of population. Our country's density of population is 382 persons per square kilometer. Every square kilometer in our country, 382 persons are living. Density of population is equal to total population by total area. In square kilometers, we can identify 1 square kilometer how many people are living. That is explained this density of population. Highest density populated country in the world is Monaco. Very small country, it is 35,000 population is there, but its area is only 2 square kilometers. That's why it is highest density populated country in the world, Monaco. Least density populated country is Australia. Australia area is more, but population is approximately 1 crore. That's why least density populated country in the world is Australia. Next, literacy rate. Literacy rate, according to UNO definition, literate means above 7 years person can read and write, that person is called literate. According to 2011 census, our literacy rate is 74.04%. This is the literacy rate of our country. Here 82.10 male are literate and 65.46 people female literate. 74.04% is literacy rate of our country. Male literates are 82.10. Female literates are 65.46 approximately. These figures we have to concentrate. But world literacy rate is, the world literacy rate is 86.3%. It is the world literacy rate. All over the worldwide literacy rate is 86.3. Compared to world literacy rate, we are 12% less. Compared to this one, we are 12% less. It is the world's literacy rate. 90% male literates are there in the world. 82.7% female literates are there in the world. 90% of male are literate in the world. 82.7% of female are literate in this world. Finland is the top literate country in the world. Finland, after that Norway, Iceland, Denmark, Sweden. Finland, after that Norway, Iceland, Denmark, Sweden. These countries are top literate countries in the world. Very poor literate countries are least literate countries. Whenever you take South Sudan, it is the lowest literate country in the world. Only 27% literacy rate is there in this country. That is South Sudan. After that, Afghanistan is there. Afghanistan is also one of the least literate countries. After that, Niger. Niger is also one small country. It is Niger. Burkina Faso. Okay, Burkina Faso is also least literate. Mali, MALI, Mali. These 5 least literate countries in the world: South Sudan, Afghanistan, Niger, Burkina Faso, Mali. These 5 countries are least literate countries in this modern world. These 5 countries are top literate countries in this modern world. We have to remember these are main important points about population. Thank you.